On today's podcast, we'll be covering week 4 of 4 for warehouse robotics and automation safety. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. On today's episode of Warehouse Safety Tips, we're covering warehouse robotics and automation safety week 4, and we're going to be covering maintenance and reliability, safe and reliable equipment every day. Well-maintained automation is essential for safe operation. Proactively spotting and reporting maintenance issues can greatly reduce the risk of injuries. Let's focus on reporting issues, understanding manufacturer guidelines, and never compromising safety. Here are a few key reminders for safety to consider. Number 1, report reoccurring issues. If a machine frequently malfunctions or if there's any sort of leaks, notify your supervisor immediately. Number 2, ask questions on protocols. Not sure about something? Ask. Never assume. Number 3, follow manufacturer's safety guidelines. Know what the manufacturers recommend for safe operation. Number 4, check for proper guards. If guards or interlocks are missing, report this immediately and do not operate equipment. And last but certainly not least, number 5, avoid hazardous reach. Never reach into areas that should be guarded like pinch points or crush zones. It's absolutely paramount. As always, be sure to follow the rules and regulations of your specific facility. Ensuring maintenance issues are properly addressed and safety standards are upheld will keep our workplace safe and our systems reliable. Next week, we're going to be hitting an awesome milestone. We will have brought you 5 years of safety tips in a row. Thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until next time, have a great week and stay safe. Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.